You've seen her face on signs all over Barrie, but today we're actually at home in the kitchen with Peggy Hill from Peggy Hill Real Estate. Peggy, what are we making today?
Greek roast potatoes.
Why are we making those?
Because I had a restaurant in Barrie, and when we closed the restaurant and I run into my clients, the customers from the restaurant, the only thing they want to talk about is, how do I make those potatoes? I miss the potatoes. Where are the potatoes?
So what sort of facilitated the change from restaurant to real estate?
So restaurant was never my passion, it was my parents. So anyway, I followed their dream for them because they couldn't really do it on their own. So when my dad turned 65, I was able to go follow mine.
What's the first step for your potato?
So you peel your potatoes, you quarter them, and you put them in a pot. Just enough water to cover them. And then you will drizzle olive oil. Just sprinkle a little bit of garlic powder because they're Greek potatoes and they have to have garlic. So you sprinkle the paprika just for color, oregano, so a little bit of chicken stock or vegetable stock, doesn't really matter, it's just for flavoring. And the secret ingredient is a lot of lemon.
So tell me a little bit about what it took to become the successful woman you are today.
So, for one, I don't think of myself that way. That's why I built a business. I believe with my true core values, which is just caring and loving and paying it forward. I would get there first, I would stay there last, I felt really blessed.
And you get a lot of women coming to you looking for advice. How can they find this kind of success in their lives, in different parts of their lives? What do you say to them, and how does it feel?
I think identifying what you're really passionate about and having the guts to stay with it, regardless of how other people feel about it. And I mean, I went in this huge, like, we mortgaged the house to pay for my advertising because that's the one thing I did know, what it took to get a business going, and I had to invest in it. So
okay, potatoes are ready, so we get to try it?
Yep.
Get them. By we mean me?
Yeah, we're keto.
We're doing keto, so we can't eat.
Sorry.
Oh my god. That was amazing.
Aren't they good?
They are so good.
I know.
They
They're
smell
simple.
delicious, and
You guys
I'm
are
very
missing out.
sad that I can't eat them.
You guys are missing out. So you'll be sharing this on
Yep.
our recipe on our website.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much, Peggy. It's great to get to know you.
Thank you.
And for more on the recipe and on Peggy Hill, head to our website, thisheallife.ca.